My video is about getting rid of the scary pop-ups that are coming from the site totalwebdefense.com. Totalwebdefense.com is a junk site. This junk site made Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to also make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. The site totalwebdefense.com claims to be related to the well-known security program, but it is not related to any decent programs. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. So don't interact with them, don't click on any buttons. The site also has this allow button, but if you click on it, your browser will be hijacked with even more annoying ads. To remove these ads and to remove other malware, I recommend that you examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system with its help to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.